Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, the kind I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. Now me notification bell no. Send the video be a better one sabeka. And we soon say be chicken stir fry. Me hear na me tasty. It tastes really nice. We a boneless chicken. My di kan atwitwa ana ma wohoro. The 1 tablespoon chicken seasoning aka ho. Black pepper. All pepper seasoning. Half teaspoon salt. Little oil. Dark soya. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. We are now mixing it all together. We didn't soak a cry then aka ho. We just see for 30 minutes. What the 1/3 cup water begu at the fufuro mu. What the 2 tablespoon cornstarch aka ho. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon dark soya. One mixing it all together. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. One mixing it they see in chain. Yaba vegetables no ode enso begu saucepan esi jasum. Uwi na do vegetable no wetwitwa na de egu mu. First one is broccoli. Second one is cauliflower. Carrots. One man is kakra. Ewu fast kakra bi pen na wayi afi ensuo num. Na wo de asi nchen. Wo de oil begu saucepan esi jasum. Edra na wo de chicken na wo de si nchen no. Wo de agum. Na wa stir fry no. Ano ayere na de asi nchen. Now the oil so kakra egu saucepan esi jasum. What do chop garlic aka ho. Chop onion. Chop spring onion. What stir fry ni na kakra. Wachim kakra na do chop onion aka ho. Na no so wachim kakra nse na wo de other vegetables ne den ebeka ho. Now the bell pepper aka ho. Now liquid mixture na we yesi nche no. Wa be hwie den egu mu. We beboa amemu ateke. We are chicken now this in chen now the agum. Now I stir fry na together. One mixing every no. Now the vegetables now on west in chen no. We share the egum. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. To be kosua the enumu. Wode salt kakra yɛ dɛ aka ho. Na wakɔ so ayɛ dɛ amexe. Aha no akakra na ayɛ ready. Aha ayɛ ready na watwerɛ na waserve. Wonya white rice a wobɛtumi de aka ho ayɛ dɛ edi. Now this our chicken stir fry. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.